Welcome to a step-by-step guide to planning your home birth. In this video, we will give you everything you need to know about preparing for a home birth. Before we start planning your home birth, let's take a closer look at why many women choose this option. We will explore the benefits and risks associated with home birth to help you make an informed decision. Choosing the right midwife or doula is essential for a successful home birth. In this section, we will guide you through the process of selecting a professional who meets your expectations and needs. A home birth requires careful preparation, including setting up a safe and comfortable birthing environment, creating a birth plan, and taking care of all the necessary paperwork. We will go through this step by step so you're fully ready when the big day comes. As with any birth, there are some unpredictable situations that may arise. In this section, we will help you prepare for some of the common emergency scenarios and provide valuable information on when to call for medical assistance. That concludes our step-by-step guide to planning your home birth. We hope this video has provided you with the essential information you need to have a successful home birth. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey towards motherhood.